What can you find at premierequestrian.com? Here we have arena footing, products of crumb rubber and textiles. To help you learn, we share our knowledge about sand, footing additives, and water. We sell arena sand, arena mat systems, and ebb and flow systems. We offer a full line of drags and arena maintenance tools. Check out our hydration and dust control on the arena maintenance page. We supply barn flooring like stall mats and rubber pavers for aisles, walkways, and wash racks. We have soil stabilization, Geo Grids for driveways, walkways, and paddocks. We feature an extensive line of dressage arenas, letters, and boxes. Not to mention a full line of horse jumps, fills, cavaletti, and other training equipment. The list is long, and we are always adding new products for your arena, farm, and barn. Come explore premierequestrian.com. Buy online, give us a call at 800-611-6109, or contact us online.